Jamie?
It's arrived! My new Kubu! But what's a Kubu? I'll show you. Basically, Kubu is a smart lock that tells you if your doors are locked or unlocked. In layman's terms, you'll never have to worry if your doors are unlocked again. So, what's in the bag? You get one smart home hub, one door module, a nice plug, and then you need to download the app. Follow me. Next, plug your home hub in, connect your home hub to your home Wi-Fi. As soon as you've done that, it's over to the module. First of all, remove your old dummy module, get that out of the way. Next, you take your new Kubu module and then slip it in, do it up, done. Now, what's the point of it all? Okay, it's like this. Have you ever been out for the day and suddenly thought, have I locked the doors? Did you lock the doors? It's not my job, it's your job to lock the doors. Anyway, now Kubu will tell me if I haven't locked the doors. As soon as I get too far away, I'll go, hey, you haven't locked your doors. It'll send me a notification. Like that. I haven't locked my doors. That's what it. Okay, so it says my door is unlocked. It was telling the truth. You see, it was telling the truth. When it's orange, it means my door's unlocked. But when it turns blue, it means it's locked. So when I'm in the house and if I walk past my hub and it's blue, I know I'm safe. But if it's orange and I'm going to bed, I know I've got to lock the door, as well as checking the app. It's just another peace of mind. Okay, so in a nutshell, it's simple, it's affordable, and it sorts a problem out of when I leave the house and I'm wondering, did I lock my door or not? Kubu now tells me, you've not locked your door, or you've locked your door. Simple.